Here's a peacock named Pet. He's a young male. He's about 4 years old now. He's doing his mating dance. He decided he would fluff up here. There's a hen behind him. You don't know it yet. Alright, tweet. Come on, Pet. Come on, make that fluffy sound. Oh, here comes some hens. Here comes some girls. There's a white girl. Oh, there's one of those indigos. And here comes another indigo. Come on. Quit being such a camera hog. Anyway, Pet. He's a pet and he likes to play around. He's watching them now. He's like, ooh. He's really concentrating there. And the hens are like, I'm gonna back off. Oh, there's that white hen. Oh, now he's flopping his tail. There's two hens behind you, guy. Oh, he thinks there's a hen over there. There you go. That's the sound they make. And you make these feathers ruffle like that. Pretty funny. Anyway, this is the end. And now you can see the back. You can see his large feathers there rubbing on the long feathers. And you see him, that's how he makes that sound. Alright, Pet.